In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent invalid bot traffic in website using Cloudflare. We'll walk through creating a custom security rule that targets bot traffic, and I'll explain what each choice does so you're confident before you deploy. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home view, head to the domains area. This is where all your sites live in Cloudflare. Choose the domain you want to protect so that any changes you make apply only to that property. Once you're on the domain's overview, open the security section in the left navigation. This is the control center for firewall and bot protections. Next, go to Security Rules. This is where you'll build logic that detects and responds to unwanted traffic. Click Create Rule and choose Custom Rules. Custom rules let you define precise conditions and responses rather than relying solely on presets. Give your rule a clear descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later. Something like block known bots works well. Now we'll define the matching condition. In the field selector, choose Known Bots. This uses Cloudflare's bot intelligence to identify traffic classified as bots. Typically, this maps to Cloudflare's bot signal that flags verified or recognized bot user agents and behaviors. When you set the condition, you're essentially telling Cloudflare, when traffic is identified as a known bot, apply the action below. Next, set the action. Open the action dropdown and select Block. This will immediately stop requests that match the condition from reaching your origin. Important note, blocking known bots may include legitimate crawlers like search engine bots. That can affect indexing and integrations. Only choose Block if you're certain you don't want any bots to access the site. If you're unsure, consider testing during a low traffic period or review your analytics first to confirm the impact. You can always adjust this later. With the action chosen, decide where to place the rule in the evaluation order. Rules run from top to bottom, so placing it near the top ensures it triggers before other, less specific rules. If you already have allow rules for specific services, keep those above this rule to avoid unintended blocks. Finally, click Deploy. Cloudflare will propagate the change within moments, and the rule will begin enforcing immediately. That's it. You've created a custom security rule that blocks traffic identified as bots. After deployment, keep an eye on your site's behavior and key metrics like crawl stats and error rates. If you need to fine-tune later, you can rename the rule, change the action, or adjust its order without starting from scratch.